Well, the Iran war has been driving market volatility and higher oil prices. With that increasing geopolitical tensions, they're impacting investment decisions. To understand how to navigate your portfolio in an uncertain time, we're joined now by Janine Guenther, portfolio manager at Bellwether Investment Management. Janine, thanks very much for joining us.
Hi, Roger. Thank you for having me.
It is, what's the old adage? May you live in interesting times. We're living in some interesting times right now. How are you approaching this?
Well, Roger, first and foremost, this conflict is so personal for many Canadians, including the people in my own community who have family in Iran. I want to acknowledge first how unsettling it is to be waiting for news of their safety. My heart goes out to them. I think when we look at markets like this, as you mentioned, interesting times, the financial lens is to make an important distinction between what feels frightening and what is financially actionable.
And sorry, go ahead.
I was just going to say that geopolitical crises often create short-term volatility. Markets can move sharply. We saw that yesterday and again today. And over time, these dislocations can mean good, strong buying opportunities for disciplined investors.
And where are you putting your focus right now with those opportunities?
Well, we really try to take a look at companies that are going to be winning for the long term, financially strong balance sheets, good cash flow, number one or number two competitors in their space. And sometimes in markets like this, you can find those opportunities on sale.
And so just quickly, when you're talking long term, what's your version of long term?
So long term is 5 to 10 years or even longer. Right now on the minds of Canadians and investors around the world is inflation. Consumers remember high gas prices. They get nervous about interest rates for their mortgages and food. People remember scarcity. They don't remember abundance. And so we try to think about things that have sold off, that pay great dividends, and have great competitive positioning.
And so with everything that's unfolding, which sectors or which particular stocks are catching your eye right now?
Well, we really are asset allocators, and we like to take a look at long-term technology plays, long-term financial plays, and these are opportunities for us to add to portfolios for clients, whether they're starting with us or continuing.
Now, the long-term technology right now must be quite the challenge.
For sure. We are taking a look at everything we use. As the last guest said, we use artificial intelligence to help us every day, and we're finding new things, and it's changing our landscape. At the same time, it's making us better. Things that used to take us a long time to do don't take us that long anymore, and we just are finding that there's great opportunity for us.
And with everything that is, it just feels like we've been going almost from one crisis to another in the last little while. But with what is unfolding in Iran, there's no end date. We don't have an end date set for this. We hear maybe, we hear it's going to, then it's not. How are you making any moves right now, especially as you look long term? Are you mostly just kind of sitting on, how much do you have sitting on the sidelines, and what opportunities are you looking at within just this conflict or within this shorter window?
Well, to be very honest, Roger, I don't invest day to day. We take a look at the long-term opportunities for our clients and their cash requirements, and a combination of long-term growth and short-term dividends allows us to create the cash flow for people. Everybody is different. Some people are just trying to get to financial independence. Some people are trying to support children and grandchildren, and they're doing succession planning for their businesses. It really, when the headlines happen, that doesn't change our discipline and our principles, because that really doesn't change the cash flow requirements for our clients.
And do you have one favorite one that stands out for you that has been a nice, long winner for you?
Well, to be the long-term winners, I don't like to pick a specific stock, but I do like technology longer term. It's something that I use every day. Every one of us uses it every day. And there's an opportunity for us to add to this in the long term.
All right, Janine, thanks very much for joining us today. We appreciate it.
You're welcome. Thank you.
I love that backdrop behind you. It's got to be West Vancouver. Janine Guenther, Portfolio Manager at Bellwether Investment Management.